होय
चालू.
माझाच व्हिडिओ लागला.
Hello. Hello everyone. My name is Shubham Rajaram Tharat. Today is 17th March 2022. Today I am going to explain today's topic, that is soft skills are more important than the technical skills. This is the original video. Now going to the topic. Today we are going to explain today's that is soft skills and technical skills. Now when it comes to worker skills, they can be broken down into two types. First one is technical skills, and second one is soft skills. They are pretty different from one another, but both are necessary to the to be successful in a job. Basically, technical skills are concrete skills that are specific to our job and are required for us to actually do our work more accurately and precisely. Now, like if you are a chef, cooking would be your hard skill, and if you are programmer, coding would be an example. Technical skills include tools and machines on which your work and get proficiency after a certain time. Now, next one is soft skills. On the other hand, are interpersonal skills or people skills that can be used in every job. Thus include communication, teamwork, and adaptability. Soft skills are also called transferability skills because you can transfer them from one job to another job. Technical skills are generally learned through schools, colleges, training centers, and previous work. Now, soft skills are more difficult to develop. You will need to practice them over time in the real world with others. It comes naturally to some people, while others may not have such an easy time with them. Soft skills are often used in everyday situations, like getting expertise in time management, confidence development, being an efficient team player, etc., and are not particular to any job. To some of soft skills can be regarded as a presentation skills. Technical skills are easy to measure. Employers can get a good idea of your skills by looking at your education, previous experience, and various certifications. Soft skills are comparatively difficult to evaluate, as they cannot really be communicated through resume, cover letters. Instead, an employer has to wait until an interview or some days on the job to get the idea of your soft skill. Now, there is a gap which is known as a skills gap, or I call it. Takes almost 100% of college graduation feel prepared to enter workforce, but only few get selected for the job. This is the which I call it a perception gap. So whose perception is more important, and the college graduate, or the one who is hiring? Well, it is the person who is hiring, firing, and signing the check. Now, nowadays hiring authorities think students lack both technical skills and soft skills. So, which are the technical skills that hiring managers think are most lacking amongst the students. Now, the manager are not much into knowing about mathematics, but data analysis, SFO, SEO, foreign language designer softwares are the sales. The skills are the considered to be most lacking skills in engineering. This is the information about the soft skills and is more important than the technical skills. Thank you.